We are making cabbage soup, not that crazy diet soup, the really good kind. Here's a secret ingredient. Pickle juice. That dill brine flavor is great with cabbage. It's great with potatoes, and so we're using it in this soup. Let's get going.
Start by chopping your veg and bacon. Get that bacon started right away. Meanwhile, hit the cabbage. We take out the cores and start chopping. And of course, our bacon is nice and brown. We drain it, and then we reserve 2 tablespoons of oil, keeping the drippings for another day. Sweating the onions and carrots, adding some seasoning, adding our potatoes. Notice they still have their peel on, and they're a nice waxy kind. Here comes the cabbage. Give that all a stir, add your broth. I'm using better than bouillon, and here is the pickled juice. Stir it all in and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then do a taste test. Add more pickle juice. Thicken that soup with a little bermani or cornstarch slurry. Add your cream, do a final taste test, and then garnish and enjoy.